Locked out of your Revolut Junior card? Let's get you spending again with this quick guide to reactivating your account. First, make sure you're actually using your parents' Revolut app, not your own. The Junior card is managed through the parent account. Open the Revolut app and navigate to the card section. You might find this at the bottom of your screen, but it might depend on your phone. Scroll through your list of cards until you find your child's Revolut Junior card. Tap it to see the card's details. If the card is blocked, you should see an Unblock or Activate button. Tap this button to start the reactivation process. You might be asked to verify it's you with your password, Face ID, or fingerprint. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Once verified, your child's Revolut Junior card should be reactivated instantly. If it doesn't work immediately, try closing and reopening the Revolut app. Still having trouble? Double-check that your Revolut app is the latest version. Sometimes outdated apps can cause issues also. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. If all else fails, reach out to Revolut's customer support directly through the app. They can help identify and resolve any specific issues with your account. Enjoy your money responsibly.